Yes, sirree. Tilt right a little bit. Boy, it doesn't get any better than that. This is called mirror image adjusting. Put them in the opposite configuration of their current biomechanics and then adjust their joints in the SI joint, sacrum, and lumbar spine while they're in a
Licensed casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win!
mirror image and they'll hold the adjustment better. There you go. Yep. Perfect. Yes, sir. Okay. Good. Slide. There. There you go. There we go. Good job. Yep.
Let's see, and can you lean forward here, bend down as far as you can? Any back pain there?
No.
No. Okay, come all the way back. Good. Lean back as far as you can. Any back pain there?
No.
No. Okay. And we're going to twist to the right. So we're going to go through, do an Eli's test. Any low back pain here?
No.
No. Any back pain here?
No.
No. Good. Any back pain here?
No.
No. Okay. Any pain? No. Any pain here? No. Any back pain there? Okay. And you said the pain is usually around here, kind of bend this top knee here. Good. Scoot over just a little bit. Good. Cross both arms. Good. Come over just a little bit more. Good. Bring this back. Let me just. Good. So I feel a little restriction down here in the sacrum and our L5 vertebrae. Good. Wow. Gosh, that was loud. Let's see. Let's go on the other side. There we go. Bend this top leg here. Good. So you can feel at our L2, L3, there's some joint misalignments in the vertebrae. We're going to go right into them and reset the joints. Great. And let's see, let's go face up on the table. Good. Cross both arms. Give yourself a real big hug. Good. Very good. Great.
Right arm dropped off the table. There we go. Drop that right arm down. Oh! Beautiful. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Hold it. Move that beautiful spine, brother.
Yeah.
Hips relaxed.
I love your videos.
Oh, thank you, brother. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you watching. That's truly a blessing. Come on your right side facing with the idea in mind to educate. And now we're on a mission-driven, vehicle to educate people across the world, man. It's good to know you're in Dallas. Hips relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Drop. Wow. Come on. The spine can move. The spine can move. Let me squeeze spine here. Come on over this way, Doc. And it's a beautiful thing, man. There we go. Hips relax, shoulders relax. Breath in and out. Drop your hips, drop, drop.
Wow.
Yeah, come
Totally
on.
different than the other chiropractors I've been
Bro, that's what we're out here, man. Lay on your back. That's what we're doing, man. Spines and minds, man. Spines and minds. It's such an honor to have you here, brother. Head relax. Cool. My reading coincides with what I'm feeling. Breath in nice and deep. And out. Get the shoulder down. Breathing again. And out. Drop your head, man. Loose, 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 loose. Let it go. Yeah, right.
Wow.
There we go. Wow. My man is subluxing. Breath in and out. Drop that. Drop it, drop, drop. Lined and down in.
Relax. It's going to adjust your right inside hip joint. Just like that. One more time. Okay, I'm going to adjust your right side joint. Relaxing here. Breathing really deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Just right side your sacrum. Okay. Right side that right SI joint. Okay. And then also your hip joint. Just like that. Good. All the way out. And again in. All the way out. Just let it go. Exhale one more time in. Breathe out. And one more time in and out. Let it go. Good. You can adjust your right side, that lower back inside there. So I'm going to gently just come inside here. Contact right here. Bring your shoulder back a little bit. Good. Bring it forward and just breathe in really deep. And out. Here we go. Okay. Let's go on the other side. All right. Oops. This joint. Bring your shoulder back a little bit more. Breathe in again real deep. All the way out. Excellent. All right. Come lay right on your back, face up. Good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. Excellent. Okay, slide. Okay, I'm just going to adjust your shoulders. Relax. Just going to come here. Just going to come down a little bit. Good. One more time. Good. And adjust your clavicle. Right side here. Just relax. Good. Let's adjust that elbow. Good. How's your hands been from playing volleyball?
In a little bit of pain. Nope, not that one, not that one.
Okay, just do a little stretch in there. Good. 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 Just going to stretch out the muscle. A little bit more. Let it go. A little more. Good. Just going to stretch a little bit. A little more. Let these muscles relax. Let it go. A little more.
Ah.
Right? Think you anticipated that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. You did.
ठीक है सांस भरेंगे अंदर बाहर करेंगे सांस भरेंगे अंदर बाहर निकालेंगे सांस भरेंगे अंदर बाहर निकालेंगे सांस भरेंगे अंदर बाहर निकालेंगे L4-5 थोड़ा इनका बल्ज है सांस भरेंगे अंदर बाहर निकालेंगे उधर से लूज 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 रखेंगे बॉडी लूज रखेंगे बॉडी लूज
your tummy there. And what we're going to do is we're going to find an area of your spine and out. Chest relax. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
How'd you do there?
I'm good.
Amazing. We're going to have you lay on your side, your right side facing this way over here.
Okay.
So the way we adjust your lower back is on your side. So you can go and lay down there, dear. And then the top leg is going to bend.
Yeah.
The bottom leg goes straight.
Yeah.
Hips relax. I'm going to bring you just like that, close to the edge. And then we're going to hold you here.
Let's get my bum out.
Breath in, all the way out. Hips relax all the way. Beautiful movement. That was big.
Yay!
Okay. Like so. Hips relax. Drop here. And then we're going to go. Breath in again. And out. Drop the hips all the way. Much bigger movement, right?
Yeah.
We're going to adjust your upper back with you standing. So I'm going to put my hands here. Your hands go on top of mine. And interlock your fingers. And then squeeze down. A little bit harder. And then, yeah, chest up. Breathe in and fall back. Keep squeezing though. Keep squeezing chest up again. And then fall back to the body.
Ow.
Yeah. Breathe in.
I mean, it did it a little bit.
Yeah, so we got a little bit of movement there, but you see how tight?
Yeah.
Here, like so. Go ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Head relax. And this one's a little louder because it's closer to the ears.
Mm-hmm.
But it's the same thing. So I'm going to breathe in deep. And out. Breathe in again. Head relax. Drop here. Wow.
That was the best one.
It was, huh?
Yeah, that was the best one for sure.
All right, so you're all set for today.